Oh no guys, what did you do? We reached 10 viewers! Yo! Another video, nasa promise. This is the part 2.
Baby, that's what I've been
This is
waiting
the
for. That's what
picture
it's all about.
of the viewers. There, you see it? Diba? Ba't ganon? Anong ginawa nyo? Wow, wow! Thank you guys! Ayun na, napaka-thank you at as promised, ito na po ang ating part 2 ng Merge Block Simulator. At ito ang ating progress. Ito ang ating pinakamalaking numbers, 3K. Okay, ang ating medium. Ito pala yung task. Dito ko nalaman kanina yung task. Hotel. 1 and then, wow, and up. 1 and then 2. Sige. Kain natin yan. Kailan natin ay. Oh no. Baka di natin siya makuha. Okay, upgrade. Yun, tara na. Oh. Ito na. Tara. Put blocks. Hindi yan. Taka dalawang ganon. Dalawang blocks ng ganito. Yan. Ayan, yan guys, yan. 78, 748. Lagay natin dito. Okay, 3, 2, 1, send to wow! May
Yeah, baby.
89k gem money na tayo, tsaka 6 gems. Wow! Okay, another quest. May timer. Ano kaya? Spawn here, max block, spawn rate. I think ito spawn here. Upgrade. Yun. Uy, ito rin pala. Upgrade lang. Oh, Minecraft blocks na yung inaano natin sa ating pangalawang video guys. Ito ay napaka-goods. Kaya ano lang tayo para makuha natin yan. 3K. Oh no, 1.9 lang. Oh, ito 1.9 plus 1.9. 3K. Ito. I-guess nyo kung anong blocks yung mag-i-spawn or mag-create. Anong blocks? Okay. Mayroon na? Okay, ito ang tamang sagot. Ang sagot ay ito. Hindi ko alam ito. Ano ba yan? Parang wood block siya sa Minecraft. Something like that. Okay, merge. 1K. Merge. 1.9 plus 1.9, 3K. I think mabilis lang tayo makaka-upgrade dito. Oh no guys! Oh no! Spawn here, 1.2 million. Oh no, ang dami yan. Tapos nasa 393 and nadagdagan, naging ganyan. Nice. Pero sila bad thing na kailangan pa natin mag-ipon para lang doon. 4.9 plus 4.9. Okay, the progress is 7.8k. 1 pixel bar studios block 18 unlock award. Oh, may badge na. Okay, merge. Pwede yun, slide. Paano yung slide guys? Na-slide ko kanina, hindi ko alam kung paano ko nagawa. So, ang ito merge merge. Ito muna. Wala pala tong kapartner. Yun. 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 We create. Pero kailangan pa natin mag-create ng isa pang ganyan. To make a progress. De. Oh! Meron na tayong 900k na pera. We are so close para mabili na natin yung spawn tier. Napaka-close na natin para mabili natin yung spawn tier. It's so good. Ayun na, 1 million. Happy 1 million. Sana maging subscribers yan. No. Yan. Fuse. Yes. This is the moment of truth. Ha? Ano yan? Magkadikit na yan ah. Okay, dikit na natin. Black. Unlock. Kaso, lumiit. It shrinks. Lumiit siya as it is. Uy! Naalala niyo po itong free UGC? Yung current block natin, 19. No more copies. No more copies. Hindi to copies. Ito ay ipis. Block. Merge. Yun. Okay. Oh! Hindi ko na notice. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Okay, count to 3. 1, 2, 3, go! Max block.
Baby!
Spawn rate kailangan natin, tsaka max block. Ay, max block. Okay. Oosh. It's so basic na. 1k. Yo, it's so basic. It's not hard. Ito. Yan. Ayun yung slide. Paano yun, guys? Slide. Slide is very hard work. Hard work makes your dream work. $1.9k. 3k. 1.9. Ang hard pala gumawa ng mga blocks. Ito na. Okay, dun. 20.1k. 1.9k. 1.9k. 3k. 3k plus 3k. Okay. Plus 3k. Oh, yung pera ko! Oh no, my money is many. It's 1.3 million. And it's so good. 1.3 million. 1.4 million. Soon to be 1.5 million. 1.9. 1.5 million money. Wow. This is 6 kapag yan oh! Yo! 1.6 ayun yung pinakamalaki nating pera so far. 1.7 na yung pinakamalaki so far. Okay. Ito. Baba ka dyan, baba ka dyan. Oh no. Tumalon lang siya. Huh? What? What? 13K. 4.9K. Oh. 12K. Now we need to make one of that. Okay. Hey guys, now we make the other one. This. We make the other one. Okay. Ilapit na natin to. Yan. So yung nasa gitna. Okay. Dikit ka muna dyan. Dyan. Sabay. No, hindi yan. Sabay ikaw. Merge. And then merge. Yun. Ano yan? Iron something. Iron Man. Iron block. Ata. 1.9 is 1.9 and that teka nga, mamaya nga tayo mag-merge. Try muna natin na explore tong map. Tignan natin yung mga progress. Wow, sino to? Ako na mag-merge ng blocks mo. Samahan kita. Ako na mag-merge ng blocks mo. Helping is caring. He is so happy na nakagawa tayo yan. Oh, see? He has a diamond block now. What you gonna say? What you gonna say to me? Okay, thank you too. You're welcome. Block choppers. Free on auto clicker. Anong auto clicker? Okay, tingnan natin yung mga low progress. Oh, ang dami mong quest. Ako wala. Ito na sa atin. Oh, my money is 5.3 million. I need to buy 3K, 4.9. See, nahagis natin. We are making progress. What? It's a fuse. It's fused by itself. How did that happen? Okay. Max block, spawn rate. We need spawn rate and max block. Okay, 3K, 4.9, 7.8K, 1.9 plus 1.9, 3K. What? It's not 3K. Hindi yung 3K. Ito yung solution. Oh, diba? It's not 3K. It has a different answers. It's not same answers. Hindi siya same answers. Is scam. Do not trust anyone about the thing, and then the something blah blah blah. 3K, another 3K, 4.9K. Yo, wow, nice. Oh, yan. We're making a progress. Tabi-tabi po. 7.8K. Okay. Wala akong katabi. Yan. 3.6. Wow! Nag-fuse talaga siya. by itself. It's so nice. It's really help to fuse by themselves. Okay, look at the difference. Anong kakaiba dito guys? Anong kakaiba? Tama kayo ng inala. Bakit mas malaki tong block na to kaysa sa block na to kung mas malaki yung number na ito? Dito, it has come. See? Roblox population. Fix this. It's not accurate. Oh no, ba't ko umarang? Ito na guys. Ito na, the moment of truth. Ito na. Feeling ko ano to eh, gold block o kaya diamond block o kaya basta dun sa dalawa. Oh, gold block, I'm right. And this is fused by itself. Wow. Ang galing, nag-fuse sila sa kanilang sarili-sarili. It's so nice. It's so nakaka-help. At ito ay helpful. Helpful talaga yun guys. It's so helpful and mindful and durable and yeah. 1.9 plus 1.9 is 3. Hagis. Ay talaga niya mahagis. It's a scam. Oh. What? Ba't ako yung tineleport? Oh, see? Ako yung tineteleport niya. It's a bad. Oh. That's how you make. That's how you call. Just clutch. Alam mo ba? Clutch. Uy! Cut off. Masyadong mahaba yung video. Kaya kinat ko. At huwag niyo kakalimutan mag-like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye!